Welcome to Dentistry Worldwide with Dr. Saurabh Malhotra. Recently, we have got a PR package from Colgate India. This box comes with Colgate Visible White Teeth Whitening Pen. Let's do the unboxing. Let's see what's inside. So this box comes with an instruction manual. All you have to do is repeat 4 simple steps. Click, apply, leave and repeat. This instruction manual also comes with a scanner code. You can scan it for extra instructions. Then this comes the pen, the Colgate Visible White Teeth Whitening Pen. This pen comes with an applicator, precise applicator. All you have to do is wipe the pen off with a tissue for the removal of extra gel. Then all you have to do is do some extra clicks and the serum will come out. Before applying it, make sure you dry your teeth with a tissue and then apply it on the top row of teeth and then let it sit overnight. The next day all you have to do is brush your teeth and you can see the visible results. Make sure to comment down in the video if you see the results overnight, and let's see the detailed video.
Are you also tired of hiding your yellow teeth? Come, let's fix it. Introducing you Colgate Visible White Teeth Whitening Pen, which gives you a visible difference in just one night. This Colgate Teeth Whitening Pen comes with all the instructions you need to follow while applying it. And before applying this, make sure you dry your teeth and then apply it in just few clicks. Click, apply, sleep and repeat. That's all you need to do. This pen comes with expert level hydrogen peroxide formula and a precise applicator. And now let's see how you can use it. Dry the top row of teeth with tissue. Paint the serum on the top row of teeth. Wait for 15 seconds and let it dry. Repeat the same steps for lower teeth and let the serum work its magic overnight, and then brush it off in the morning. So you can now easily remove your stains while you sleep. That's all we have for you. Hope this video helps. Thank you.